Ever wondered what you can do with ChatGPT? Well, brace yourself for a thrilling ride through the top 10 tasks you can accomplish with this mind-blowing AI tool. From drafting emails to writing code, it's all covered. Hold on tight as we dive into the amazing world of ChatGPT. Starting with number 10, ChatGPT can draft your emails in a snap. With its advanced programming, it understands your needs and tailors your messages accordingly, saving you both time and effort. Now, imagine never having to worry about drafting an email again. At number 9, say goodbye to essay writing woes. ChatGPT has got you covered. This AI can assist you in crafting compelling essays, making academic work a breeze. It's like having your personal writing assistant on demand. Sounds like a dream come true, doesn't it? Number 8 brings a burst of creativity, with ChatGPT generating ideas for your projects. Imagine an AI assistant stirring up a whirlwind of fresh and unique concepts, adding an extra spark to your brainstorming sessions. Who knew brainstorming could be this easy? At number 7, ChatGPT turns into your coding assistant. It's like having a seasoned programmer at your side, ready to help you write, debug, and optimize your code. It makes complex programming tasks simple and approachable. Coding has never been this straightforward. Coming in at number 6, ChatGPT becomes your personal language translator. Ever needed to understand a foreign text or converse in another language? ChatGPT has got your back, translating languages with ease and precision. ChatGPT, breaking down language barriers one translation at a time. Halfway through at number 5, ChatGPT transforms into your content creation partner. It helps you craft engaging content for blogs, websites, and more, enhancing your digital presence. Imagine having a wordsmith at your beck and call. Content creation has never been this effortless. At number 4, ChatGPT becomes your knowledgeable companion, ready to answer your questions. This AI can provide answers on a wide array of topics, turning every query into a learning experience. It simplifies information gathering, making knowledge more accessible. Your personal information source at your fingertips. Closing into the top at number 3, ChatGPT turns into your script writing guru. Whether it's a riveting video script or a compelling play, ChatGPT becomes your co-writer, streamlining the process and sparking creativity. Script writing just got a whole lot easier. At number 2, ChatGPT becomes your poetic muse, generating beautiful verses. With the power of artificial intelligence, it can craft poems in various styles and themes, making it an invaluable companion for poets and poetry enthusiasts alike. Poetry at the command of your fingertips. And finally, at number 1, ChatGPT becomes your AI tutor. Picture this, an assistant that adapts to your learning style, tutoring in a range of subjects from mathematics to history. It's like having a personalized teacher on demand. Personalized learning just got a new meaning. And there you have it, the top 10 tasks you can do with ChatGPT. From drafting emails to generating poetry, it's a versatile tool that can even tutor you. ChatGPT is truly a multitasker. With ChatGPT, the possibilities are just endless. Why not give it a try today?